Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning everyone. Welcome to class 7th science. Myself Samrina. I am from United Public School Tandur. Students, let's recap the previous topic. 8th chapter name is Air, Winds and Cyclone. Students, we all know the air around us is rarely still. It moves continuously from one direction to another. The movement is in many directions. This is we call winds. So we know that wind is moving air. And we are study about air exerted pressure and air expands on heating. And now next, wind and even heating on the earth. So let's see. Now today topic is wind and even heating on the earth. So student, we have discussed the case of winds in area near large water bodies including seas and ocean. What about wind on the other parts of the earth? So let's see. Students, we have discussed the case of winds in area near large water bodies including seas and ocean. And students, and even heating takes place on the surface of the earth. There are a number of reasons for this. And how to measure direction of wind? Yes, by anemometer we find direction of wind. This is a anemometer. We find direction of wind by anemometer. And the moving air is called wind. Air is everywhere. Next, an even heating between equator and poles. Students, you might have learned in geography that the region close to the equator gets more heat from the sun. This is because of direction of sunlight being straighter close to the equator. The air in this region gets warmer. The warm air rises and cooler air from the region in 0 to 30 degree latitude and equator moves it. This movement of air sets forth winds that move over the earth. We have also seen that the increased wind speed is accompanied by a reduced air pressure, and this aids rain. And students, let us try to understand how winds are produced and how they bring rain and how they can be destructive sometime. Now next topic, uneven heating of land and water. Students, you have read about the sea breeze and land breeze. In summer, near the equator, the land heats up faster, and during the day, the temperature of the land is higher than the water. In the ocean, the air over the land gets heated and rises. This causes the winds to flow from the ocean towards the land. These are monsoon wind. This is usual during the months of June and September. Students, I think you observe in summer near the equator, land heats up faster, and during the daytime temperature of the land is higher than the water in the ocean. Equator near places like Australia. In summer, near equator places heats up faster during the daytime compared to oceans, and the air over the land gets heated and rises. These causes wind to flow from ocean towards the land. These are monsoon winds. And the direction of wind flow gets usually reserved the month from December to early March. The wind flows from the land to ocean as the seas cools more slowly. Students, the wind flows from the land to the ocean as the sea cools more slowly. And how rain is formed? Yes, the wind from the ocean carry water and bring rain. Farmers in our country depends mainly on rain for their harvest. And we can also generate energy from high speed wind. Thus we can see the usefulness of wind is our life. How to wind useful for us means the wind from the ocean carry water bring rain, and rain is very important, students. Rain for harvesting. Farmers in our country depends mainly on rain for their harvest, and we can also generate energy from high speed wind. Thus we can see the usefulness of wind in our life. I hope you are all understood winds and even heating on earth. Now time for assignment today homework. First question: in the daytime when we go to the sea, the air blow towards us and does not go towards the sea. Explain. So you have write the answer to this assignment. Thank you.